What's up, guys? Oh snap! We're doing a night stream. Yeah, I'm pretty hyped. It's gonna be interesting. Yeah, so futures aren't doing too bad here. Let me turn this music down so like 25, 26. What's up, James? What's up, crew? If the music's too loud, let me know. I adjusted it earlier for that video. Trying to see if any news else has come out for everything that's going on. Yeah, they're not gonna allow that thing. How is silver doing tonight? What's the silver ETF? Silver, I don't think. Here, silver futures. It's up 3%. Yeesh. AMC is revving up for a good run. Look at eBay. Here's our AMC, guys. Boom, the night stream. All right. Yeah, I was just chilling, doing laundry, and I was like, fuck it, I don't want to do no laundry. I'm going to do a night stream. Bam. Night stream. All right, guys. So, tomorrow's a big day with AMC and GME. If you watched my, I don't know what the fuck I just clicked there. If you watched my video, we are seeing some interesting stuff on the daily chart. And we're seeing that, to be honest, we bounced. I think AMC did the same as well. Let's just make sure here. Yeah, we bounced. That's a big bounce. And it's interesting to think about because technically, one sec. Shut my door. Technically, when a price bounces like this, and especially closes over a previous day high, like or a previous day close or open, it shows a good sign of continuation. I mean, as you can see here, especially on GME, we gapped up. I mean, it was a really nice gap. It was like what, 90%, something like that, from here to here. That's 96% jump. Tomorrow, I mean, people are predicting 400. I mean, tomorrow's truly going to be interesting to see what we get pre-market. AMC did the same thing. I mean, you see, it did peak out up over here. It wasn't that this day. Because, yeah, obviously, we hit a nice high the day before. Around 475. But, like, this is what also is interesting. You can just tell from it, you see the volume, the amount it died down from the day before. Like, there's so much volume on this day, and then the gap up over that 350 area, there's just no volume. It's half of what it was the 3 days before, and that's because of those restrictions. So it'll be curious to see what comes out with Robinhood. I'm gonna see. Um, 532, guys. Whoa. Interesting. I don't know if this was... According to the company's support page, investors will be limited to 10 shares and 10 option contracts of AMC, 700 shares, 700 option contracts of BlackBerry, 20 shares, 20 option contracts of Express, 1 share, 5 option contracts of... Yeah, but I thought this already came out. Is this for tomorrow? This already came out the other day, though. This came out on Friday. Anybody got any update on with Robinhood possibly tomorrow allowing more people to trade? Robinhood shortens its restricted securities list to 8 stocks. Robinhood has updated its list, and the list has grown much shorter than 50 stocks it was at on Friday. Robinhood updated its changes due to ongoing market volatility page on its site, where it maintains a list of stocks it's placed buying restrictions on. The list now shows just 8 stocks, and the restrictions of some have been loosened up. Nokia, for example, has gone from a limit of 5 shares to 2,000. GameStop's restrictions, however, remain at 1 share and 5 option contracts per user. The restrictions cover the adding shares and options to positions. They do not affect positions already owned by a trader, but if those positions happen to exceed these limits, then the trader won't be allowed to add any more. Fractional shares are ruled out. Interesting. So they did kind of release something tonight. Yo, what's up? I'm gonna post this in the options here. I posted that in the options chat. It says 4:41 p.m. today. We'll see how it works. What up, what up? One second, boys. Uno mas, uno mas. What's up, guys? How's it going? Night stream. What? Out of nowhere. Give me 1 second. All right. It's Monday. I know. Who else is excited for Monday? Anyway, yeah, so I just posted that in the options chat. Actually, I kind of look at Robinhood's site. Robinhood. Wait a second. Let's see here. Do they put a link? It's gonna be interesting. I'll look at eBay. It's gonna be very interesting tomorrow. Because of the limited buying. AMC though, you can still buy 700 shares. Good, That's pretty good. 600 million volume in a day. That's pretty good too. GameStop's going to be interesting though. So really with GameStop, it's going to have to depend on other people that can actually trade the damn thing. I mean, if there's other, like I said in the video, there's big money traders that want to drive the price to squeeze the shorts out again, this thing could launch. It's just a matter of squeezing those shorts out. And honestly, some shorts might get squeezed out and they'll buy at the top. I mean, it just really is going to depend. They're going to keep buying at the highs. That's just going to keep happening. All right, we can go to eBay. eBay had a nice bounce off that 21 on Friday. Like right off it. It's been riding the 200 though, since it's broke under it. But even 2 days riding under the 200 EMA there, that's the yellow. It's definitely showing a possible breakout soon. I mean, you retested that resistance on Friday for eBay. It tried to break out, but didn't. Retested, but closed over. We had that VWAP break though from the 21. That's a good sign. But yeah, we'll see. This level here is pretty key there, that 57 really. You can see it trying to break out of it before the day before, but like, let's look at the hour. Hour chart bounced off that 200 and some previous support. But I mean, if you're a long play on eBay, I mean, I think you're just fine. You got that daily bounce easy. If you're not, if you want to play it, then get in tomorrow. Their earnings are this week. So yeah, watch eBay. I mean, honestly, opening Friday might be good. Just hop in at open. What do you got? What's the swing you got on there? eBay's 319. Yeah, that's plenty of time. Yeah, you're good. You're 319 there. I mean, honestly, it's already showing that the daily looks good for sure. The daily looks pretty juicy. Let's look at the weekly. So we're at all-time highs. Just a matter of time for a breakout. Yeah, actually, let's just keep up BS here, so we don't care about any other futures. Like I said on, we need to watch 368 there, 368, yeah. 367 is what I'm watching. We want to get, I mean, if futures can bounce here, run back to where we closed last week, then hell yeah. What we want to look at, you guys, somebody said what? What about spot? Spot. SPOT. Spot's interesting. Yeah, you got that sell. Hey, Jason, enjoy your dinner. Enjoy it. Here you go. There's your spot level. Hold over that. Doesn't bounce off 310, really. I mean, get out. 310's your hold there. You better have good enough expiration, though. Man, it's rejected that high several times. You might get a decent correction. True. I mean, I have GME puts that are expiring in March, but here's the thing about those puts is they're not going to pay out until you get especially on GME. I have I have the 40s and the 50s. As we increase in price, they're not going to increase because people are going to keep buying them. But here's the thing: in order for those to pay out, we're going to need a 80% move to the downside. Even down here, if you had 50 puts, they're going to pay maybe like 30%. It's not going to be anything crazy. It's not going to... You rather try to... if you're in any other broker but Robinhood, I mean, you might as well try to find shares you can actually short. The $50 puts, like those are pretty cheap right now. I think they're sitting at $1,000 a piece. I'm looking at this though on GameStop, even with... So what I explained in the video is the fact that the price is holding up even with buy restrictions. That's what's amazing. And so, like I said before with GameStop, is the fact that there's people still buying it, and it's not people that are in Robinhood. It's not people that are in Robinhood because you can't. This is TradingView. Yeah, this is, I mean, the whatever version it is, the most expensive one. It's like $30, $60. On the short side, I have one in each because this, I don't know if this is over yet. I mean, with the short interest on it still as high as it is. Oh, they won't let me see it. Let's see if I can get it. So as of 1:15, we got 67 million shares sold short. That's adjusted this past week, obviously, because that's 1:15. I think it's down to like 50 something. I think it's 50 million. That's still only 10 million shares that covered, which is nuts. Wonder if there's another live update. I know, what was the company that we're stating the actual numbers this week? Subscription required. Of course. Here, this guy. Was this one? Right. So I mean, you got 57 million shares still shorted. On the 15th, it was like what, 61? Like, that's still a crazy amount. Wait, this was the 29th, yeah. 113%. Like, it's probably a little less than that, but that's still insane. So we're looking for a potential we need people that can actually purchase this to squeeze out the rest of those shorts. And now people are going to retake positions. That's probably actually why this number is so much higher than it was earlier this week. It's because more people are going to start shorting it because of the price of this, because of the price of the stock. So if we can squeeze those people out one more time, then that's when you'll get the push. But the problem is at this high of a price and those restrictions, it's going to be a lot harder to do that. You're just going to need the right people to do it. So I don't know if you guys know anybody with millions of dollars, but you tell them to go buy GME and we'll squeeze out the rest of these fuckers. Anyway. But, I mean, that's why the AMC is so popular, is because the short interest on that is kind of building up as well. It's been pretty high for a while. I wanted to look at the 1 hour. I don't even want to know, but it's doing the same thing GME's doing. I mean, you're seeing this, like, wedge form. This is still a bullish wedge. I mean, obviously, wedges can break out either way, but, like, just with the price holding up is pretty impressive. So tomorrow, honestly, look for a price increase, and we could see another 60% jump on GameStop, and that's right here. That's retesting that high 520. If we open over 500 tomorrow, we break out. Let's see, that pre-market high was like what, 511. If we break out of that, I mean, the rest of that day might be over. It might take off. And then obviously on there's that. I mean, it's just they're moving the same 60% there. But to be honest, I don't know what the GameStop CEO is doing. I don't know why he's not raising capital at this level. He could easily do an offering, and they could raise enough capital to save the company. But we haven't seen any updates on that. I mean, at least that I know of. I haven't looked too hard on it. But right, let's bring up BS again. Their hour chart doesn't look great. I do think we might get a sell off into tomorrow, guys. It's very possible, especially with this small gap down. We might fill this gap today and then reject and open back up lower. So we might see like, hold on. We might see this thing climb back up and probably around here 3710 maybe reject. And if you pull this trend that it's trying to form. Oh, we're seeing? Yeah. I mean, honestly, you can pull it off of here too. Let's bring where's the 30? And that's not a huge player there, but I think the trend is going to go more off of this one here, just because of the way it's reacting now. But yeah, I mean, you're seeing kind of a downtrend forming. So, 3,700, that's like right where that small little gap fill would be. And then that's, right there where that low bounced off of. So I would be cautious tomorrow, especially if we reject this area, because we could open up 366 maybe on SPY. And then, honestly, I would just get out of any S&P positions you're in, or really overall market. eBay, you could probably hold because of the earnings coming up and just average on earnings if you need to. But some other ones I would be cautious with that aren't involved with something else like GME or like AMC. They're involved obviously with a whole different situation. But anything market related, I would be careful. You'll be able to get a nice dip here soon. We'll see though. It might not. It could break out and bounce back. But yeah, guys, man. I mean, let's look at what the Fibonacci kind of shows us here on GameStop. Just just taking that low in general. I mean, you can see there, it even bounced off the GP there. It literally, on the hour chart, it's bounced there several times. It bounced there on Friday. Now it's back over the 4.5, and it might retest that 2.3. I mean, it could easily see it over 400 tomorrow. It's obviously going to have to break that pre-market high around, you know, 412, 415. Right. Straight to AMC. Yeah, just buy it. Let's see. Yeah, we got about 10 minutes left till that giveaway. Forgot about that. Yeah, I'll redo. This is David's. Gains. David donated $100 earlier. I haven't posted in the chat, but thanks to David. We're going to give away another $500 next week. But I'm going to watch Mara as well. Into tomorrow. You guys know I have longer options on Mara. Next time, let me see what options I do have on Mara. I think Bitcoin's going to bounce, especially with Dogecoin craze. And if the market does drop, and more people might invest in Bitcoin as well, because it's safer right now. Yeah, Mara, we're up, you know, only 3% at the moment. We have the February 19th. I averaged on Friday. The reason I did was because, to be honest, 17 isn't a bad level on American Airlines. I mean, we peaked out pretty hard there. You take that previous support and peak it. There you go. I think 17 is a solid buy zone. I think we could get a nice peak. I think that, I mean, it's all going to depend there. So American Airlines, yeah, if we stay up over 17, I think that'll be fine. Like I said, I averaged at that level last week before close, and looking to just hold it to see if we can get that push to 18 again. So we can get that push to 18, then we should be in some nice profit. We'll have to see. Lots of volume the past 2 days, though. But Mara, I think it has a potential. We weirdly opened over 24 and then sold off. Thought we might get a nice push. SPCE as well. I would keep an eye on it. We might get a pullback. We can get into a nice position here on it. Maybe down under 40. I think under 40 would be good. It bounced off 40 before. If you can get near 40, it might be great. We'll have to wait and see. But here we go. I forgot about this. QS, okay, guys? Remember, this was such a huge stock at the end of the year. They have a lot of lawsuits right now. What's up, Jesus? How you doing? They have a lot of lawsuits right now because of the loss. Because of people losing from this 128 down to $40 now. I'm looking to see the filing. I want to find the bottom on this, though. I do want to find the bottom on this. Because I think long term, with the fact that we're trying to go, you know, completely, you know, by 2030, we're trying to go completely electric on our cars. I really think this could be a good long-term investment in that part. I just don't know where yet. We got to see where it kind of settles. The volume has died down a lot since these highs. So honestly, if we could get it under 40, I think it wouldn't be a bad buy, to be honest. I was gonna see if there's any See, on the 21st, there were some call options. Sheesh. Does anybody else want to start buying some long-ass calls just in case something like Jimmy happens again? There is no way to see what's the top of Jimmy. It really depends on squeezing the rest of the shorts out. I mean, if you're adding in, like I said, if we're gonna squeeze more shorts out, I mean, people are gonna stay short on this. They're gonna keep picking up shorts. They're gonna stay short and they're gonna keep picking up shorts at the highs. So like, if you want to get through that, you got to keep squeezing them out. And I mean, then it continues. It will continue if you want to squeeze out that $11 billion that's being shorted. But like, people, they're gonna continue to think that it's going higher. So if there's a ton of if we get a volume day like we did on Thursday or on Wednesday, on Thursday. Or that was what, Tuesday we had a huge volume increase. If we get a volume like that kind of day off of other contenders, then it could be insane. So that's kind of what we're going for. We want to see a true push. It's just gonna have to depend. Yeah, Ford. I mean, Ford's been great. I mean, you guys know I got the 115 calls a while back, and they paid out very nicely. I think we got like 300% on those, just because of the their Bronco. We're just gonna kill it, and they're gonna go fully electric as well. All right, guys, we got 7 minutes until the giveaway is over. If you're not in it, hop on in it. Only get in the giveaway though if you truly. We can take a look at Brett's PDF here as well. They always have pretty good picks. Okay. Here you go. Here, MCD. If you guys are still in that MCD play with us, it's definitely a hold. I think we're still up on it, or we ended up going in and out of profit last week. Yeah, see, I mean, you can see it even on Brett's thing. They're predicting a slight pullback correction. I think that's good. I think we truly need to watch it. And yeah, we have Amazon and Google ER this week, so that's going to be a big contender for sure in the S&P. So seriously, be careful this week. A lot of things could change because of the market volatility. It's a big if right now. But it's going to give you an opportunity. It's corrections are good. As much as you hate them, they're great. You can't be mad at corrections because it's giving you a chance to get in at a good price. No. Oh yeah, just at some point for sure. We'll see. End of the year, maybe 400 on SPY. No doubt about it. I mean, what was the price? What was the price increase this year? Let's look. Maybe we can look at the yearly. Do they even have here's the month. Here's 2020. I mean, we had that huge dip in March. Let's see, 2020 started here. Here's our 2020 price. And we closed 2020 right here. So roughly there. $50 increase on SPY. I think we could hit it easily. It's 15% pretty much this year. I don't think that's bad. We had that big drop in March, but I mean, you can just see the year over year here is absolutely insane. I don't think 400 is far off. I'll tell you that. That's the monthly chart. We're gonna need some proper corrections. Yeah, AMC, they're just trying to... The AMC hype is a lot bigger now because of the fact that they are limiting... Like, you can only buy 1 share of GME, but on AMC now, with Robinhood, you can buy... What was it? 700 shares? Okay, AMC is a big watch tomorrow. Let me see here. AMC. 700 shares of AMC you can buy tomorrow. So be prepared for that possible push. Maybe back to 20. It's not, I mean, it's up a good amount. I mean, it's up 53%, obviously. It's pretty big. But here's the thing. AMC is a viable company. They've raised nearly $1 billion over the summer. And, like, once COVID's over, people are going to go back to the theaters. As you can see, since the dip in March... Where's March? Last of 2020. This right here, March. Yeah. Before the dip in March, I mean, we were roughly around $8, you know. I mean, it was on a decline, but I don't know. It's interesting to see. I might buy some shares out of the gate on AMC. I don't know. I don't actually have any call options on AMC. I wanted to just hold one of them, and I went with GME just because of the amount of inflated, or how inflated those premiums were. And so if we did get a jump or spike up another 50%, it'd be another 10,000 off of, you know, 5,000 investment. Everybody's looking at short interest now on stocks, which is pretty funny. It's going to be an interesting opening to the week. Yeah, I mean, not in my day trading portfolio. I mean, my day trading portfolio, I pretty much only do small swings and day trades. But in my long term, I definitely have some SPY. But yeah, what time do I start trading? No, I get live on here. What, 8:15? I don't trade till market open. I'm not a pre-market trader. I just plan my trades pre-market. Okay, guys, forgot the giveaway has picked the winners. What's so funny is one of them is called Mr. Rich. So, Henry, congratulations. Mr. Rich, congratulations. And Jay, congratulations. I will message you each. What's up, Jason? We were just going to stream until kind of the giveaway was over, but our boy Henry ended up winning this. And then several others. I'm going to be messaging all three of you. And then we will determine who does need this, who truly deserves it. And wow, that's exciting, guys. If you were one of the winners, congratulations. We are doing another 500 giveaway next week, so don't be upset if you lost this week. You could possibly get it next week as well. But yeah, guys. So that's about it. Like I said, let's final talking points here. No way AMC is going to $250. I don't believe that. That's going to be insane. Just subtract your entry price and then multiply 250 by 2,000. Anyway, 3,700, roughly this price here, guys. I want you to watch 3,695. I think is a good price point to watch here. Yeah, I think $40 isn't a bad price target to see. I mean, that's actually plausible, but not 250, not yet. At least we're gonna have to see that $40 push first. But again, what you see on the S&P now, we're rejecting right around that 395 level. I really think we could get that push down to 36, retest this low, and possibly break through it by open tomorrow. So just watch for a downtrend late tonight, and then a small correction. But we might load up tomorrow, so just stay tuned for that. But yeah, guys, I want to do a quick stream. Congratulations to Henry, Mr. Rich, and Jay 630. I will reach out to you guys shortly, and one of you will be receiving the $500 giveaway. So congratulations if you are one of those three. Stay tuned next week. We will be doing another $500 giveaway because of this FOMO fund. If we make even more this week on AMC or GME, hopefully we get more people donating. We can continue to give away more and more. But hope you guys enjoyed a small little stream we had this evening. We're running about 43 minutes here, but yeah, I think we're gonna have a nice, interesting day tomorrow. We'll definitely be on the stream at 8:15, so don't miss out. 8:15 Central, 9:15 Eastern, so don't miss out, guys. But Henry is just whining like crazy. Anyway, guys, yeah, Brian, see you tomorrow at Open. Justin, hopefully you can join us. Jay, hope to see you there. I love you guys. But come on, AMC. Come on, GME. Let's squeeze those shorts out and get up some crazy number. So hope you guys have a good night. I'm going to go have dinner. Make sure to take Henry out because he's whining his ass off.